I was on a plane going to Australia once, and we stopped at Singapore, and a man got on and sat beside me. I will never forget this as long as I live. He sat, I was at the aisle, and it was at first class, there was only 2 seats. He sat there, and he knew me he'd seen me someplace before. Are you Billy Connolly? Yes, I am. How are you doing? Yeah, fine. He said, I'm just in from Hong Kong. I said, oh, really? He said, and I've just flown Cathay Pacific. Have you ever flown with them before? No, I haven't. I often intended to. They're fucking brilliant. Really, absolutely first class. I said, that's nice. The food was unbelievable. Really? Yes. What did you have? He said, on the flight, he told me, barbecued goose with soya sauce, ginger and spring onions. He said it was fucking brilliant. I said, I'm glad to hear it. Whereupon he went to sleep and he curled up in a ball like a squirrel. And we took off, whoosh, into the night, through the clouds. We hurtled up into the sky, whoosh, and we settled down. And we're trundling along, and this man farted. I will never forget it as long as I live. Not only was it the worst fart, it was the longest. Maybe it was the position he was in. He'd squeezed his ass all up. But he was kind of leaning over and his ass was pointing up towards me. It's the exact noise his fart made. It was a kind of tortured noise. And then he changed position. And it finished with a sort of flourish. With a sort of... But while the was going on, people were looking back. And of course they couldn't see him, he was all curled up. And my hair was blowing up with this. And these fuckers thought I was farting out of my left ear. And then the smell came.